lovers of sharing creative headways. On today's trailer, we will learn how to make this unique, beautiful headband you are seeing on your screen. Okay, and here with me, I have my feathers to embellish it, my headband, and the freezable wire. As you can see, the wire is movable. Okay, that is the type of wire I use on this. You can decide to use any available wire, any minerally available wire. Okay, but the one I use here is freezable. As you can see the picture of the fascinator, you see where I bend my wire. Okay, that is the essence of using freezable wire. And the measurement for it is 20 inches. I call this wire like 6 pieces. 6 pieces. That is what I cut out. 6 pieces of this wire, 20 inches by length. You can decide to increase it. It's your choice. All right. So this here is me now wrapping it with my shiny bias. The measurement for this shiny bias, the width is 1.5 inches. That is the type I use on this tutorial. Okay, so welcome to Sharon Creative Headways. On this channel, we'll be learning everything related to ladies headwears. In case you are finding it difficult to learn how to make all this trending design, worry no more, because Sharon Creative Headways got you covered. All right, please, if you are joining this family for the first time, I want to say thank you. Also remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. Also, do wait to like, drop a comment, at least a thank you comment. It goes a long way. Okay, please like this video, because by liking it, it will make YouTube algorithm to push our video to wider audience. All right, that's the only way you can support us. Now beg, I dey beg you, I dey beg, please. All right, let's continue. As you can see, I am done wrapping it. And how can I ever forget my old subscribers, my family? I will never take your love for granted. I always appreciate, and may God also bless each and every one of you for joining my family. All right, so I think I am done. I'm done wrapping all the things. Now time to wrap my band. So here is what I did here. I want to, the leftover you are seeing is for the tying part. Okay, this is how I do it. I drop a little amount of gum, then I start wrapping it. All right, please, there is no confusion on this video, because I believe everything that you needed to know about this headpiece is well detailed on this video. Watch it carefully. Like I always say, there is nothing like failing. Practice make perfect. If you try and you fail, don't be discouraged. All right, just have it at the back of your mind that you are loved and you are getting it. Okay, if you try, you fail, be courageous and try again. Trust me, you will get it. All right, so as you can see, how I'm wrapping it. Please, this is Sharon Creative Headways. On this channel, we'll be learning everything related to ladies headwears. You can also drop a comment in case if you want me to drop any tutorial of any trending video. Drop it on the comment section. I promise to be on your comment section to reply you. I promise to be on the comment section to reply all your messages. All right, don't forget to like. If you have watched to this level, you have not liked, I don't know what you are waiting. Please like. As you can see, the way I'm moving this wire is movable wire. It's not thick one. If assuming that this wire is a thick one now, I cannot move it like this. You see, so before making this tie, make sure you get freezable wire. All right, I think the picture, I think I show you the picture on this video. Okay, so you can screenshot it, go to where they are selling mineral things, show them the picture of the wire I use, and you will get it there. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to match everything together. I'm trying to match it together. Okay, first I use my gum to hold it, then my thread to tack it down so that it will be very, very firm. We are doing this work for a client. My work, I don't like doing a work for a client, and maybe later or after some days, the person will now return it back and be like, your work is not strong, this one has spoiled, this one has removed. I don't like it. So to prevent it, I always make sure to put in my best while making any work, while creating any craft especially for a client. So always have that at the back of your mind. Remember, your work can bring more work for you. Your nice work can bring plenty of customers to you. Okay, so this is how I join it. I'm trying to figure out which one is how to put it to be sitting very well. Okay, so now this is how I cut my feathers. As you can see, please, while doing this process, you have to be very, very focused. You have to be calm. You don't need to rush. The feathers is very, very light. There is a way you will rush it, the thing will just spoil. You will cut it off, and a piece of this feather is being sold for 500 naira. Please be very, very careful. Okay, so let us fix it. I hold it with my gun, then I later tack it down. I always love to tack my work even after holding with this gum. This gum is very firm. Even after holding with this gum, I always love to go back and tack it to make sure that I secure everything, to make sure to avoid your work has spoiled. Though your work is not always strong, your work also complain. Me, I don't like all these complaints. Okay, so to avoid plenty complaints from your client, try to make sure to tack in your work very well. Try to put in your best. That I always tell my students, always put in your best while making any work. You never can tell where that work may reach. You never can tell where your work might get to. Okay, please let us be guided while making a craft, while doing any work. Okay, it's very, very important. Now, as you can see, I'm fixing my feathers on this process. You can be doing it and be shaking it on your head to know whether as in you are putting it well, or how is being, as in how is looking. You can be testing it on your head. As you can see, I will just put some and place it on my head to see the fitting. Okay, so there's another thing I want to beg you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I dey beg. If you have not liked this video, please like. I still dey beg. Please, this is the only way you can tell me thank you. It's the only way you can encourage me to put more work out there, to put more trending beautiful crafts for you to wash. Please, I dey beg you. As you can see, everything is coming out well, beautiful and nice. So guys, let me leave you all to enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. click on notification bell to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. Okay, so guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.